My name is Dutina Ibiyegoro.
Aderigilala.
Espitibe Okon. Nelson Ajayi Loanipem. Francis Ofoke Ikechukwu.
I just finished a Python fundamentals programming class at New Horizon.
My experience is awesome. Well, it was a really wonderful experience. Our teacher, Mr. Soji, is a very nice teacher. Breaks down the codes, and if a student doesn't understand, he tries to make you understand it.
They allowed me to hold my class and continue when I was readily available. So because of that, I was able to get the concept and I didn't miss any class due to any reason at all.
Coming from a background where I really didn't understand some of the concepts on programming, I'm at a level where I can say I'm a programmer. I can see that course has helped me a lot in improving my technical expertise.
Trying to switch career from hardware to software. The program I've just had have now really empowered me to enhance my ability to be fully integrated in the software environment.
The most important thing in data science, extracting files, analyzing data, storing files in list dictionaries, using methods properly, using functions properly, classes, creating GUIs, and I'm also reading from other different files like CSVs and JSONs. An e-commerce project, that's an e-commerce site, online shopping site. I used Python, Bootstrap, CSS, and HTML to design the page, and I presented it to the youths. So it was really good place.
I never knew I can be coding, and today I've been able to do something. I would recommend anybody that had interest, and even those that think they cannot make it.
The ambience, the learning environment, the setting, everything is superb. I would recommend it to those people that also want to do data analysis.
The class environment was very welcoming.